Come trekking with my Fluffball and see where he takes us. This tiny Fluffball was on a mission and it led us to a beautiful little waterfall. Come along on a little trail adventure with my Fluffball. We started with a peaceful walk through the trees, enjoying the fresh air and beautiful scenery.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Who needs a tour guide when you have a fluffy explorer with you?
Feels right. Catching a breeze.
After a bit of trekking, we discovered a cute little waterfall hidden along the trail. Wait for it. Take this as a clue, grab your hiking buddy today, like my furball, and start exploring. Of course, we stopped to admire the view and took a short break, and my fluffy explorer loved every moment of the adventure. This was a perfect day filled with nature, fun, and wagging tails. Okay, guys, bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.